Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. But before proceeding with our today's video, do remember to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to our channel to learn more and to get notification whenever we upload something new. Hit the bell icon. Now without delay, let's start our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. I've already logged into my Facebook and I'm on Facebook Marketplace page. To know how to access Facebook Marketplace, do have a look at our video which I have previously uploaded. As you can see over here, create new listing. Click on that. Then you have three options. If it's an item for sale, you can go here, or it's a vehicle or a property for rent or sale. For now, I'll be showing you using an item for sale over here. On my left hand side, I have option to add photos. On my right hand side, I can see how it will be looking when I will be uploading my listings. We'll select a couple of photos. You can add up to 10 photos, and remember, it will be public. You cannot change the privacy. I will just use 2 photos for an example. You can also upload photos using your phone. And then you have title and the price. So put price starting from 0 to any amount. If you want them to ask you personally for the price, do mention it in the description. Over here you can see there is an option for description. So let's give a price over here. And for category, Facebook will give you some options. Over here, as you can see, they have given me an option for household. If I want to choose more than that, then I can just open the drop down menu and choose. I'm just going with one category. Then you can put the condition, whether it's new or old, or if it is used. You can see over here, I'll put new. In description, you can mention about the price or if there is any different kind of changes you would like to make. For example, you have not mentioned about the price, you can write it in the description to ask in the inbox for the price. I'm not going to write anything here, but you can see the description will appear here. You can change the availability. If it is in stock or if it is only a single item, you can choose the color. It's optional. You can put the product tags here. Then you can put your SKU here. It will be only visible to you, and it is also optional. Now you have to put your location. If not, you will not be able to proceed. Also remember, you have to enter a valid location. And then comes an option to hide your listings from your friends. Anyone from Facebook can see your listings except the friends you have in your Facebook. Now click on next, and now you have an option to list it publicly. As you can see, this has already been selected. You can also share it in the groups if you have. Since I'm not in the groups, I'm not able to share directly from here. If I were in some kind of groups, then I would be able to share it directly from the marketplace over here. As you can see, if I click on publish, my listings will be published in the marketplace and it will be viewed by everyone. I hope my video was helpful. Please let us know if there are any suggestions you have for our new videos. Do leave a like on our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to learn more, and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.